Okay, we are back with another Chat GPT dinner because Darren forgot to take out the pork chops last night. And so hamburger is something that is easy for me to defrost in the morning. So this is what and also I am trying to make meals with Chat GPT that are easy, they're quick, and use things that I have in the house already. And I do try to buy a lot of things that are on sale. And so I just try to mix and match on whatever I have on hand. So today I have 1 pound of hamburger. I have a can of black beans, fresh spinach, cream cheese, potatoes, and corn. So let's see what ChatGPT says. Okay, so ChatGPT suggests cheesy hamburger and potato skillet. It says it's hearty, flavorful, and cooks in 1 pan, so it's easy for cleanup. So sounds good to me. It also suggested some different toppings, and I did say yes to letting it suggest some toppings for me. One of them that I am going to do is it suggested serving it with tortilla chips and topping it with green onions. So I'm going to do that because I have tortilla chips and I do grow green onions. So I have both of those on hand. So I do serve it with rice because we eat almost everything with rice. So, but still, I'll do the tortilla chips also. So, okay, let's get started. 2 large potatoes, peeled and cubed. I didn't have large, so I did 4 small to medium. I used Yukon Gold potatoes because they taste, they have a buttery flavor to them, and they're cut small, so they will cook quicker. I've got my cubed potatoes in a frying pan. I did put a little bit of butter, and I am going to put salt and pepper. Okay, these are on medium heat. They're looking good. Got a little sizzle going. And I am going to keep cooking them until they're kind of brown and a little crispy. So probably about 10 minutes or so, but we'll come back and check on them. Okay, I did cover the potatoes for a little bit, just to make sure the insides were fully cooked, and we do look good. It's, I think it's done. It is crispy and kind of when I cut it, it's really soft and easy to cut. So I am going to take this out of the frying pan and put it in a separate plate. Okay, in the same frying pan, I put 1 pound of hamburger, and I am frying that with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And if there's any like little bits of oil in there, I'm sticking a paper towel in there to sop it up. Okay, I'm adding in 1 can of black beans, and I did rinse it and drain it. I'm gonna add in 1 cup of corn. This is frozen corn, but it does say that you can use fresh or frozen. And add in 2 cups of fresh spinach. I just eyeballed it and did like 2 handfuls. I bought a big tub of it, so I just put some spinach in there. I've got this down on a medium-low heat, and I'm just kind of stirring it for the corn to kind of warm up and for the spinach to wilt down a little bit. I'm actually thinking I might have supposed to cut this spinach, but I didn't. So there you go. I turned the heat down to low. I put in 4 ounces of cream cheese, so that's like half of the block. And it just says to warm it slowly and to coat everything in the pan. So that's what I'm doing. All right, so the cream cheese is melted and coating everything. I did put the fried potatoes that we cooked earlier, and I am just mixing that in. So it says just to slowly fold the cooked potatoes in, just so it gets an even coating of the cream cheese. And it's still on a very low heat. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, our skillet meal is done, and it tastes really good. I did add a little bit more salt, a little bit more paprika, gave it a good mix, and it tastes really good. I really like it. I do think I'm going to add a little bit of shredded cheese though, just cause. Okay, Darren is home and he's going to do a taste test. Okay, let me know what you think.
Well, visually,
Yeah.
it looks outstanding.
That's good.
Most of the time, if food looks good,
Yeah.
it's going to taste good. So, looking forward to this.
There you go.
Here we go.
I wonder if it needed like some hot sauce. Is it good?
That's very good.
Yeah? You like it?
Yeah.
So 1 out of 10, 10 being fabulous.
I would give it a 8.5 to a 9.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, no, it's really good.
Nice. So 2 thumbs up?
2 thumbs up.
Nice. Okay. See you next time.
Bye.